everyone, and welcome to Magnolia's Bird Farm, open since 1955. I must say, this place is pretty loud and full of excitement. Everywhere you go, there's a bird. You can find all kinds of birds, from parrots to doves to lovebirds. Each bird has his or her own individual color and personality. Some likes to be alone and some likes to be with each other. Some a little too much. Almost all of these birds are ready to find a new home. Let's look at this one. He's quite shy. But if you look at this one, he's very friendly. He even played with Mr. Ramirez.
Oh dear. Paul keeps saying I'm gonna film it.
No, don't film.
You are on film. What a great day at Magnolia's Bird Farm. We're ready to go home. Say bye to the camera. Bye. Thanks, Angie. Thanks, Angie, for being the only one.
Alondra, what's your name?
Bye, bird. And our journey ends.
Have a good day.
Bye. Bye. Say hello. Hello. I guess you're not gonna say hello.